This particular unit on offer today is a unit where you can just use a standard forklift licence. This unit has a 2.7 tonne lift capacity and a 10 metre reach. This has 4-wheel steer, 2-wheel steer and crab steer. It has a Perkins turbo diesel engine and a 3-speed power shift transmission. It has chassis levelling. It also has an air-conditioned cab for operator comfort. It also has full floating forks so you don't get hookup when placing pallets at high levels. The good thing with this unit is there's no fancy electronics and the unit can be serviced anywhere in a remote area. This unit meets mine specification requirements. So we do long and short term rental of this type of equipment.